Listen, y'all can have those other love languages. You want to know what my love language is? Food. I love questions like, can I cook for you? Have you eaten? Can I feed you? Can I bring...
Welcome back to my channel. It's another cooking day, and today we'll be making burgers for dinner. Yay! So these are the ingredients that I'll be using, and BK virgin at home, so girl, I forgot put fries on the side too, so we're not short on nothing. So here I am frying my burger meat, and I'm not making this for me alone, so go. While you're at it, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share the channel. Now here I am frying my fries, and I think this was about burger meat number 3. So the little ketchup and mayo thing, it slaps. If you didn't try this before, you definitely need to give it a try. So here I am doing my ketchup with my mayonnaise and stuff. And I add little secret ingredient to mine for make it extra nice. So this is the end result of the fries. This is the burger breads. I will be warming them up in the frying pan. These are the burger meats end results. Yeah, simple, easy recipe. 1 2 3 cheese, snap, quick and fast, and that ready for go down. Yeah, so here I am adding my sauce to the bread. Oh, and guys, by the way, when I'm heating up my burger bread, I add a little bit of butter to the pot. So yeah, so I'm just showing you guys how I make the burger. And me did I make this for me and my 2 local pitney. When I say pitney, not my babies, but yeah, my 2 local pitney. So them don't want no tomato, so no onion and all of that. So the one with the onion and all of them look something that is for me. So ingredients: burger meat, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and all of that. Easy, simple recipe. If you would try this, let me know in the comment section. The tomato never goes up good, or not leave me alone, because when I go chew it up, it's still not good. So yeah, this is how I make a burger, and if you don't make yours this way, that is your business. But yeah, I'm gonna shell it down now with some bag juice. Nice bag juice. This did slap. 10 out of 10. I know we are talking about my burger. Yeah, them did nice bad. So you've reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, let me know, and I will see you guys in another upload. Bye guys.